It's Radiant. Yeah. Yo. T-John, you loud. Radiant Creations, y'all ain't listening. It's Radiant Creations, y'all ain't listening. Yeah. Yo, it's Radiant Creations, y'all ain't listening. It's like your brain full of oxygen, floating in the sky like a halogen, equal to none, like chances to fucking a nun. Brain scrambling, define the truth, while that chip hurting in your tooth. Radiant Creations, y'all ain't listening. This is Radiant Creations, y'all ain't listening. This is Radiant Creations, blatantly, secretly disguising the truth, describing the situation, prioritizing, prototyping, glorifying death to the youngins. It's like a Vicky, it's a small world, like the aliens kidnap your girl, y'all ain't knowing about. Radiant as sun rays, flying in the sky like a sun ray, aiming for a bunch of funny looking pigeons. Radiant Creations hit you with so many different religions, radiantly, deviously, blatantly, dumbing down society